Hi, this is Alexander Vera for a week 6 video, CIS113M for Ed Carthon. This week we were to create a number of roles and users and to go back and forth to make sure that they work and try and view data in between. Also, we were to take the SQL quiz that you had a link for. For the first step, I have up here the SQL plus. Sorry, sometimes my monitor gives me trouble. Where it says user 1 and user 2. Those are the two users that I created. Hit the quit command. Go into SQL plus. System. Which is what I used to create those users, or the user that I used to create them. So quit that. Go back. Go to user 1. That I assigned with a password. I do have a table, even though I did not populate it. No row selected because there's nothing in there. When I tried to pull up data from a table under the system user, it says table view does not exist. I tried granting that user privileges. I believe it was the grant select from a certain table to a certain user, grant session to it, or grant admin on, or something along those lines. It says that it was granted, but I'm still not able to view that data, and vice versa. If I log on to system, I still can't view the table. So it gives me the same message when it comes to EMP1. So yeah, I created roles, gave it privileges, assigned those roles to the user, checked to see the users were created, but I'm unable to view data or view tables from other users. So that was a bit frustrating. So that was for that week. I then took the SQL quiz. I actually just retook it right now. I took it the first time and I did bad on it. Took it the second time, I did better, but the questions were a little bit more basic, or a little bit easier, I guess. The other questions were like more in depth about certain commands that I'm not familiar with. As far as it goes, memorizing this, it's not difficult. It's just that not having a vocabulary quiz, or like certain words that are highlighted for the week. How certain classes would have it, like this is what you need to remember. You just put them on a flashcard and study them, and that's pretty much how that can go up. So yeah, that was my week for this. I got the questions done without any problem. Yeah, and that's it for the week. Thank you.